In this video, I'm going to show you how my vision as an architect came to life when I was designing my own home. Back in 2021, we bought a new family home in London and we built a series of extensions aimed at accommodating a growing family. When designing for a family or a group of people, it can be difficult to accommodate everyone's desires for a space. That's why I aimed at keeping to a few simple truths when designing a home for a family: lots of space and storage, lots of natural light, for example. This then allowed me to concentrate on a few finer details in designing spaces, such as the position of the plants or the fitted furniture, the colours and textures of the internal spaces. This allows each space to feel more unique and purposeful in the design. If you like the video, then please like the video and subscribe for more architecture related content.